What's up? So, as you can see from the title, things are about to be totally different for us. There's something that I've been wanting to tell you, but first, I'm gonna get you caught up to where we are right now. So, in the last video, we were at my brother's graduation, and after that, we spent the remainder of the week in Arkansas, and then we drove to Cheyenne, Wyoming, and spent a week there so Jessica can visit one of our business friends. And then after that, we took the weekend to spend with my sister in Colorado. So we drove down there through the Rocky Mountains and all the beautiful snow, and spent time with my sister and her family for a couple days before heading off to Utah. We stayed just slightly south of Salt Lake in Provo, and it was so beautiful there. After that, we drove down to California, so we're back here in California again, in Palm Springs this time, at this beautiful Airbnb here in the middle of the desert. And we've been here for about a month. The last vlog, we were traveling every single day for the whole week, and then after that, like I said, we were spending weekends driving to new places, and it's just been totally exhausting. There's a huge difference between like traveling and vacationing, and we haven't been doing a lot of vacationing except for last week, which was our 6th-year anniversary. We literally did nothing. We thought about maybe going to a couple different places, maybe even amusement parks or whatever for our anniversary, but we just both took a couple days off work, spent the whole weekend just relaxing. We laid around, watched YouTube videos and all that kind of fun stuff. Not very productive at all, but it was very much needed. But now it's the end of our stay here at this Airbnb, and we're about to leave. We've got everything packed up, and we're about to start our next adventure. So, about the thing that we've been wanting to tell you. We got an apartment! So, welcome to our new apartment. We've been wanting to tell you about this. We've been thinking about it for a little while, and we finally decided to get an apartment here in Long Beach, California. So we had been traveling for the past year. We went to all the way from Florida to Colorado to here to Arkansas and back, and we've been looking for like a cool place to stay for a little while trying to kind of explore all over the US, and we ended up with Long Beach, and so we're super excited about being here. Traveling is a lot of fun, and we've really enjoyed it over the past year, but it's also been kind of stressful. We started off in the camper, and that's when I started my vlog, is when we started in the camper and traveled everywhere dealing with the camper kind of stuff. And then in February, we sold the camper and started doing Airbnb full time. We've traveled to so many different places and done things that we've been dreaming of for a really long time, but it's been stressful, especially for Jessica, who is running her own design business and trying to become a healthier person and all that kind of stuff. And we think that being here will help with that, be able to help her be able to focus on her business and grow that, and maybe help me focus on my YouTube channel and maybe try to grow that. We're hoping that this space that we have here will help us both grow, and we're super excited about that. Now, even though we have an apartment, that doesn't mean we're gonna stop traveling. We're gonna hopefully be able to do it more meaningful now, since there's a desert a couple hours this way, mountains a couple hours that way, ocean a couple blocks that way, and all these other places that we can explore. And we're really excited about that opportunity. We're still gonna have to go in between here and Arkansas to go visit family back home every now and then. My sister's in Colorado, My mom's currently in West Virginia, and the majority of the rest of my family is in Arkansas, so I'll be going back and forth quite often to go see everyone. Unless anyone wants to come down here and stay with us for a little while, we have plenty of space. We can put up a blow-up mattress, so sleep over. So now that I'm not traveling full time, my videos are gonna change. I'm not gonna be doing travel videos all the time. I will be trying to do some every now and then when we go explore different places. But the content of this channel is gonna change slightly to more of our everyday kind of life while we're here in this apartment. And we're really excited for that. And I'm really excited for my wife's business to grow as well. We think that being here will give us the opportunity to focus more on our businesses and help them grow. But we're starting a new adventure, and I'm excited to see how this channel grows. If you're excited as well, please hit that like button. It makes a difference, and make sure you're subscribed down below. Also hit that notification bell or ring it so you make sure that you get notifications when I post another video. I'll be posting another one this week, hopefully, to do kind of an apartment tour of everything. So if you're excited to see that, make sure you're subscribed. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, good thing you're not pregnant.